everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a brand new mystery box to show you guys, and I ordered this from Etsy shop, and I'm just super excited to show you guys what I got in my new Halloween mystery box. So let's just get right into the video, and I will leave their link in the subscription box down below, that way you guys can check them out for yourselves. Now I'm randomly just going to show the stuff that came in this mystery box. Now the first thing we got this really cool resin skull. And it is super awesome, and I really love it. But that is the first thing. And I love it that it's green. That is the first thing that I got. We got another skull here. We got like a little copper bone one. Really awesome, and I really love it. That is super awesome right there. We got this really cool coin. Super awesome, and I really love it. We got this squeaky eyeball. We got this glow-in-the-dark eye. Really super cool. We got some chattering teeth. Really super awesome. Now that's so cool. And it looks like we got some stickers here. So I'll show these randomly as I can. We got a Nightmare Before Christmas sticker. We got a Jason Voorhees sticker. We got a Chucky Child's Play 3 sticker. A Michael Myers sticker. We got a Sally sticker. A Sam Trick or Treat sticker. We've got a cupcake sticker. We got an Elm Street sticker. We got a cool Halloween sticker. We got a hand, like a grave sticker, like at a moon with bats on it. We got a horror sticker. We got a witch sticker. We got a Nightmare Before Christmas sticker. And I do got a few more to show you guys here. We got a Sam Trick or Treat lollipop sticker. We got a Halloween sticker. We got a basic witch sticker. And we got a blood donors needed Michael Myers sticker. Looks like we got a Freddy Krueger sticker. And we got a Jason Voorhees sticker. We got a Leatherface sticker, a Pennywise sticker, and another Michael Myers sticker. Got a pack of Starburst candy. Got a pack of Skittles. Got a finger. And it looks like we got another skull here. Ooh, I love this one. We got another skull here. And it looks like we got another pack of Skittles. We got a finger puppet. Really awesome. We got like a little finger puppet. And it looks like we got another creepy little eyeball here, but this one's got a spider on it. And we got a hard drive for a computer. Now that is super awesome. Let me make sure there's nothing in there. Ain't nothing else in the mystery box. That's pretty much all that's in my little Halloween mystery box. Really awesome, and I really love this. Absolutely awesome. And now I'm going to read y'all the note that they sent me. And it says, thank you for your order. Dear customer, we want to take a moment to personally thank you for purchasing our product. That is super awesome right there. And I will leave the link in the subscription box down below. And I hope you guys like this little Halloween mystery box. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will be making another video here soon. So stay tuned and have a spooky day, everyone.